Hi guys, this is Kit, and now before we updated the new ECDIS, and now we will update the old ECDIS, which is JRC model JAN-901B. So we will show you, or I will show you how to update the weekly update. So now we will go on the back of the ECDIS to put the USB. Using this USB, I will put now here at the back of the ECDIS. First, we should take out this and put. Now put, just close it. And now we're here at the main ECDIS. We should just go exit. Now exit from navigation and planning. Just click OK. And now after we should click ENC and ARCS chart portfolio. Just click once and waiting. Initializing. So after a couple of seconds it will load, and just click OK. After that we go to tool, main option, and then we just go OK. Advance. OK. Advanced option. Now F info AIO, click here and just click F. OK, and then OK. After that, OK, and auto detect. Click auto detect. And after that, in a couple of minutes, we should just wait. So now, after clicking the auto detect, we will just click import update. Just click once, and updates all charts in media are accepted. Just click OK. After that, it will automatically load the charts or update the charts for 8,427. So we will wait again for how many minutes? So we will wait. So now after almost 30 minutes, we have 6,000 charts and still updating. So we will wait about 10 to 20 minutes to finish it. Then we will proceed to another step. So that's it. After that, we will go to tool again, option, and click advanced option. So we will choose F info AIO, then OK. After that, OK, and then auto detect. So usually like this, it will show like this. And now we will click import update. So we have 19 charts. So in a couple of minutes or seconds, it will finish updating. Now it's starting, and it will load very fast. And now finish. So completed S57, S63 charts import update. We click OK. And now after that, we will click exit. OK, and it will go back to this menu. You just click E, navigation and planning. will load and it will go back. You see, 901B, and we click OK, and we will go to chart, and we click in here on the top of the menu. We go to chart, we go here, ENC update report, and we will go to in here now week 33 2026 summary, up to date 82 of 82. So now up to date status report. So all now up to date, no action. Sometimes have withdrawn, but now no withdrawn. Click close, we double check, we click in AAS menu, we click all, and we load the root, and after that finish. And that's it, guys. That is how to quickly update JRC old model 901B. And here again, as of now, I will update also the new ECDIS. But as I showed you before, I already have a video how to update this, so no need to show you again. So that's it. Bye, guys.